Next we're going to make the collar of our shirt, and it's just a rectangle that's about 12 inches long by 4 inches. I'm just using a template that I made for myself. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it works. And I didn't cut this totally even, so I'm going to take and clean that up a bit. There we go. That looks good. And then what we're going to do is take and roll the edge up a little bit. And kind of fold it over. And you don't want to press it down, just leave it loose like that. And we're going to take our collar . This to stick, so I am actually getting my brush down inside of there just with a little bit of water so that that will hold itself in place while I work on getting the collar where I want it. There we go. That's pretty well centered. Actually take and fold those little corners and tuck them underneath the tie so that what you've got is an overlap there. This totally. Okay, so I've got my collar all positioned on there. One of the things you might find is that the collar kind of collapses under its weight. If you need something to support that, you can always just roll a little bit of fondant to put underneath there to kind of support that, make it look a little more three-dimensional.